Hello guys, another beautiful day, and so today I'm teaching you how to play your alpha and omega. Right, so I play the song normally in key of C, and I do the full piano and breakdown of the song. All right, okay. Alright guys, so that's a simple breakdown of the song. Okay, so it's a very some advanced way of playing the song, but very simple as well. Okay, so I'll start with the first part of the song. Alright, so you are Alpha. Okay, so the chord progression there is a 1, C major, 5, G major, okay, 6, right, A minor. That's a natural minor of the C major scale. Alright, so you are Alpha and Omega. Alright, so it's a very simple. So alright, so I was using C added 9. C D E C D E. Alright, then go to 5. I know 6 1. Alright, so it's a very simple one there. Okay, then we were still on 1. You can play sus 2, suspended 2. We go to 4. Worship. Can play the normal 4, that's F major. We play the inversion. We were okay. Or you play we worship you. Okay, that's a passing chord to get to the 6. All right, so it's a E major, right? That's E, G sharp, and B. Then I can add C there as 7. Passing chord 6, alright? 6. You go to the 1. You are worthy. You could remain here, worthy to be praised. But it sounds somehow funny. That waiting time there is too much. Alright, so we can apply something there, la, si, do. Okay, so you are la, ti, do. So when you la, ti, do, yeah, play something there different at the end. Okay, you are worthy. I played something like this. Worthy to be. Okay, so when I was playing, I'm playing G with my left hand, left G note. I played okay, C and E with the right. When I get to A, alright, I play E and C, right? When I get to B, I play F and D, right? When I get to C, I play the normal C. Or I just play G and C. So that's a rundown of that first part. Okay, so the second part of it is the chorus, alright? So we give you alright? So it's a very simple one. You can play it's as simple as this, alright? So while playing the broken chord starting from E or on E, yeah, you start it, you play an interval, an octave interval starting from G with your right, alright? So we give you in that order. So G, A, B, C, alright? Let me work the right hand and come to the left hand. Okay, G, B, A, B, C, C, B, C, A, C, G. Alright, so we stop there for now. So while doing that, you also do we with your left. Okay, so E, F, G, A, G, S, E. Alright, so that's it. So I combine the two, alright? We give you the glory. Okay, so when you leave from E now, so we are on E. We go to 5/4. We worship you. It's the same thing that we did at the beginning. A passing chord. Okay. So that's it. See, the breakdown of that chorus. I also played something, I added something a bit advanced with this. It sounds a bit advanced and nice, okay? So, alright, so it's kind of minor, nice stuff, okay? So C minor, D major, alright? Alright, then E major, then we go to the E, our chord A minor, then we come to G, F, okay, E, okay, so it's E minor, A C minor, G major, E major, then we come to our chord 6, A minor, then 5, 4, 3, 1. Okay, so we give you the glory. We worship you, God. You are worthy to. Alright guys, so that's a breakdown of the song. I hope you learned something. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel and God bless you.